Wait. Helium suckers. Take one. Come on.
I was getting deep breath in that. Thank you.
Here.
Hang on.
Where's the hole?
What she does?
That's good.
Okay. Hello, guys. Well, thanks for watching.
Hold on.
Oh,
pop it.
Well, turn loose now.
Okay. Took the living life of helium out of it.
Okay.
What are they doing, Diane? Playing
Yeah. Listen.
Listen.
That's a Frankie.
Hear the cat, mister.
That's my grandma.
Get the
Hey,
cat,
Frankie.
you done bought it yourself.
That was Tiny, shut up.
Daddy got it going.
Yeah, tell Daddy. That's my dad. That's my mom.
When
It's
they
Willie.
get on your
Frankie.
legs,
That's your grandmother.
throat.
I'm
Yeah,
my
Frankie,
grandmother.
it hurts.
Hi, Granny. How are you?
What do you got?
Helium.
Alright, don't be a helium sucker.
Had a helium hide.
Here. No! I want some helium. Mom, you're sucking all the helium.
Granny, do you think I sound different? Granny.
What do you think that lady might understand you?
Okay. I sound so funny right now.
Well, why do you always say okay?
Okay.
Said it again.
Then why do you always say that?
Give me a hand.